I wanted to be a rock star. Or maybe an Olympic athlete. I was really into snowboarding. Something really extreme is what I wanted to be.
What did you do before you were a rancher?
Well, before I was a rancher, I was a wildlife tracker. I spent 7 summers in the wilderness of Idaho tracking wolves, and I loved being out in the wilderness on the trail of the predator.
Where is your favorite place in nature?
I love the edge. So here it's where the redwoods meet the grasslands. And right there is where the most diversity is. And that's where you'll find a lot of the animal trails inside the shadow and going and traveling along the edge.
How do you connect with nature?
Well, kind of looks like that.
How do you work with the seasons here?
I think right now, living in the time we're in, we just need to be resilient because we can't predict anything. And with nature, we assume we're wrong. And when we plan things, we always are adaptive and we work with what we have around us. It certainly always keeps us on our toes. You know, these partners here behind me do a great job with just kind of going with the flow.